Hi, and welcome to my channel. I'm Mona. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this creamy, delicious Marry Me chicken. So stick around, and I hope you enjoy this video. Here is the recipe and the ingredients that I'll be using today. So please take a moment to take a screenshot if you'd like to try this delicious recipe for yourself. Alright, let's get started. The recipe called for 3 chicken breasts, but I used 2, and I cut those in half and set them aside. Next, I took my flour and I added my salt and pepper. And once the salt and pepper was added, I gave it a little mix, so it was ready to bread my chicken. Next, I began to bread the chicken, making sure to shake off any excess flour. Now, this flour is what helps give the chicken its golden brown color. I took a couple of minutes to measure out the rest of my ingredients. Then I added butter, oil, and sun-dried tomato oil in a pan and set it over medium heat. Next, I cooked the chicken for 3 to 5 minutes on each side until it became a nice golden brown color. Once the chicken was done cooking, I removed it and set it aside so that I could prepare the sauce. I added some fresh garlic and cooked it until it was fragrant. I added in some chicken broth and brought everything to a nice simmer before adding in my heavy whipping cream and Parmesan cheese and giving everything a good mix. Once everything was well blended, I moved on to seasonings. I did not follow the recipe when it comes to measuring the seasonings. However, I did use all of the ingredients. I just seasoned to my own preferred taste. Once the sauce was ready, it was time for me to add the chicken. I also made sure that my chicken was completely covered in sauce before it started to simmer. Once it started to simmer, I added some fresh basil. And this looks absolutely yummy. For dinner this night, I decided to have some penne pasta as well as some steamed broccoli along with my chicken. have to admit that this chicken definitely lived up to the hype. Comment down below if you have ever tried this before or if you plan on trying it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you all for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.